Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a lock style takedown. We're also going to be doing a restyle because I needed it. And then we're also going to be getting my nape cut. And I thought I would share it with you guys. Also, in today's video, we're going to be working with a company, Carmen Professional. They sent me their titanium ceramic cordless hair clippers. So you guys know I have a nape cut. So we've been working with this product for a while, me and Courtney. We've been trying it out for like a few months and we really like it. So today we showed you guys how we use it. So if you want to see how we use this product to get my nape cut looking very fresh, then stay tuned. video, guys. I love my hair. I've never had a bow before. I wanted one. I didn't even know my hair was long enough for a bow. And then look how long my locks are on the side that they're just hanging down here with beads. This is so crazy. My hair is getting so long. But yes, I love this hairstyle. It's super cute. I'm so excited. So excited. I have a bow. This is so cool. But yeah, I wanted to get my hair restyled. I really just wanted to get up in there and scratch it, and I did. Y'all saw it was so good. It felt so great. And I got my hair restyled because y'all know, if you got locks, as soon as you take your hair down from your style, you got like a week, maybe a week and a half tops of it before your hair just starts completely unraveling out that retwist. And I was like, no, I don't. I'm tired of seeing my hair how it is. I want to take it down so I can scratch it and stuff. But I didn't want to just not have it styled again because I didn't want my hair to just go. If you have locks, you know, once the style comes down, the hair goes crazy and you just somehow hit that month where it's time to get your hair done again. I didn't want that to happen, so my cats are fighting. So I got Courtney to restyle it and I'm super impressed, super loving it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys. I just said that. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.